Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you some weirdo tips for your kids. Actually, I'm not kids at all. I'm a father of three, and then today I'm just don't like that my son plays Stumble Guys with the unknown name like this. So I'm trying to change or rename the name. Here how to doing that. First you click this your profile icon, and then as you can see there is a pencil icon over there. You have to click on that, and then for the first change, your first name change is free. So after you change your name here later, you're unable to rename your name unless you pay to the Stumble Guys. So that is, guys, very simple tutorial for you who father or mother that want to see your kids playing around on Stumble Guys and check their rank. Here are the tips for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you think this content is helpful for you. You can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Bye.